that little bracket.
Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
Alright, we're working on a Honda HR. What is that? HRV? HRV. We're doing a knock sensor. What year is this? This is a 1015, so this is a 2016 Honda HRV. I'm doing a knock sensor. I'm gonna show you exactly where the knock sensor is. So this is the part number. The part number for it, and this is how the sensor look like. So I'm gonna show you exactly on this is the code P0328. So I'm gonna show you exactly where the sensor is located. I recommend unplugging the battery when doing this. So you gotta unplug the negative battery. What's that, baby? Alright, so let me get the light. So if you go under the car, there's gonna be a tray under here. So I'll show you exactly how to remove that tray. It's a big tray. Got a couple screw and a couple clips. But you're gonna come under, and you're gonna come all the way back where your drain plug is for the engine. So your filter's right there in the front. You come back where your drain plug is, and you go straight up. I don't know if I'll be able to show this on the camera, but you're gonna come up. Wait, where's my light? So the sensor, wait, I don't see it yet. It's right between. My goodness. Let's see if I can get the front through the other side. This thing is in a very, very tight spot. It's under the manifold, right above the starter. But let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, right there. You see that right there? Right there. That's your knock sensor. So to remove the sensor, what you're gonna do, let me come back out and I'll show you on the side. So come back out. Okay. Oh yeah. What's up, baby? Oh wow. Alright, so to get to that sensor, you're gonna remove your tire. You're gonna remove this shield over here. Not shield, this plastic thing. This plastic cover. You got a couple clips on it. So just remove those clips and just put it down like that so it won't be on your way. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove that bracket. You see that bracket, or you can see the sensor right there, right behind that bracket. So I'm gonna remove those two bolts, 10, the blue one, and then there's another 12 on the bottom. So I'm gonna remove those 3 bolts, and then I should be able to stick my hand. I should be able to squeeze my hand through here. Should be able to fit my hand through there and unplug that sensor and then remove the nut on it. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you. So let me go ahead and remove that bracket. Alright, so this is the little ratchet I use. I use a 12 to remove the 12 on the side and then the 10 on the top. So now I'm gonna do it by hand. gonna just stick my hand through here to the back here, and I can get to that bowl. A little bit more, right there. Wow, if you got thick arm, this is not gonna work for you. You need to be skinny arm. You need to have skinny arm. Wow. Okay, so I'm removing that one. I'm gonna see if I can grab it now. I don't drop it. Okay, there you go. Turning. Okay, that one's out. Alright, that one's out. Bring it over. Put it here. That's the 12. Now I get the socket for the 10. And remember, this one's gonna be facing up. Remember, I already got them loose, so once you get them loose, you can just do it by hand. Wow, you're getting dirty. Hey.
Is it you?
Yeah, me too. Got one. Time to get the other one. That one seems to be still tight, so I gotta use the ratchet again. That one's not gonna work, baby. It's not gonna work, that one. It's too big. Okay, so I'm gonna get that one loose and get it out. Okay, so I got the sensor out. So let me explain exactly what you're gonna do. You're gonna have to sit facing, so your shoulder, one of your shoulder, you got to turn the wheel this way out. So one of your shoulder, you're going to be kind of sideways here. Your face is going to be like out here. So you're going to be sitting, you're going to stick your left hand in and kind of stick it all the way in until you can feel it, or until you can touch the nut. You're gonna get a 12. That's gonna be held by a 12. This nut is 12. Okay, 12 right there. So you're gonna have to get another one, another key. I just got a 14 so you can get more leverage. And I just tape it around so I won't, so it won't move. So with these, I was able to stick it in all the way in there, put it on, and crack it loose. I did two half a turn, and then I was able to stick my hand and loose this by hand. Once I had it loose, I pull it all the way out, and then I press on the tab here, and at the same time I pull down a little bit, and the sensor came off. And there should be, so yeah, you see the plug is right there. So now what I would do, I'll plug it back in here, go all the way up there again, and put it in that nut. You see the nut all the way in there. Let me see. See if I can zoom in. Right. Right up. It's dark in there. Right there. The shiny screw right there. That's where the knock sensor go. Alright, so now I just gotta work my way back and get it done. But the trick part here is that you gotta be sitting down in order to be able to stick your hand. So if I can picture this, but I'm sitting here, stick my hand through here. And I was kind of facing like the bumper and the fender here, and then I was able to get it loose. There is no other way you can bend your body to be able to grab it. So remember, you don't have to remove the tray. So I just removed that tray to locate it where it was because I didn't know where it was. So you don't have to remove that tray. All you're gonna remove is gonna be this thing over here, and then just kind of put it a little bit away and shove it in there. So you can stick your hand through here. That's all you need. And of course, you gotta remove the wheel, turn the wheel to the right, remove that bracket. So the tools you're gonna need is gonna be a 10. So you just need a 10 socket, a 12 socket, and a 12 key. And that's all you really need, because this is all you're going to be removing. That little nut for the sensor, that little bracket. It's not easy, I tell you that, but if you got knowledge about doing work on cars, I'm sure you can do it. Alright, let me finish this up. Don't forget that you have to remove the tape and flip your key for reverse order, because to take it off, you put it on one side, but to put it in, you gotta flip it and put it on the bottom so you can get it tight. So I got the sensor in there, all the way up there by hand. So what I'll do now, I'll stick my key. You can see it right there. Oh, you can't see it. Yeah, well, right here. See? Right there. And then I'll tie it down. Alright, so now all I gotta do, pull my negative cable back in. Make sure it's tight. Then I get my 10. Tight. Tight it. Bracket a little bit was loose. There you go. Alright, so we're done there. Look at the new design. Honda got the exhaust on the side now here. That's something new. I guess it's easier to work on it whenever it comes time to replace that. It's right there. Alright, so now let me bring it down. Down we go. This is the old sensor. Let's read the code. Sometimes it goes away by just unplugging the battery, so I think we're gonna be good. We don't have to erase anything. Yeah, no codes. So now they just gotta drive the car. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I hope my video helped you. Thank you. See you in the next one.